been a lot of talk from different folks on the really cool sounds in watchmaking. So now I'd like to introduce you to one of the not cool sounds and horrifying sounds in watchmaking. That's right. That was the sound of the barrel flying away, hitting a wall and another wall, and going across the room. Luckily, I was able to quickly find it, so crisis averted. But yeah, hold on to your barrels, folks. And I don't know if you noticed, but there was only a tiny bit of mainspring left, and that little bit of mainspring was enough to fling it across the room. So be careful out there, folks.